How to change Facebook Messenger language. So as you can see, my Messenger application is currently in English. Now, to change the language in the Facebook Messenger app, you need to go to your settings, as changing the language isn't in the application itself. Here, you need to scroll down until you reach the applications and then go find Messenger, so tap on that. After that, all you need to do is tap on the language here on the bottom part of your screen. Once this opens, you can see every language that can be used in the Messenger application. So just scroll down and select one language. After that, if we go back to Messenger, you will see that the language has changed. So that is how to change Facebook Messenger language. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.